Hi, welcome to GlideTech YouTube channel. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to log into your Roblox account without your email or phone number. So if you try to log into your Roblox and you forgot your email, or you try to open your Roblox and you found out that you have been logged out by Roblox, there are a few steps you have to take. The first is to click on the sign in option. So right here on my sign in option, you can see there's an option that says I should enter my password, but because I forgot my password, I just have to go. Now the next thing you have to do is to go to your browser. So right here on your browser, you just have to type in roblox.com/support, search for it. The next thing you have to do is to type in your username, type in your first name, enter the email, your email address, that you want the response from Roblox to be sent to. Also confirm the email address. Having done that, the next thing you have to do is to, what device are you having a problem? Mine is an Android. You just have to type in Android, type of help category, click on it, click on account hacked and can't log in, just click on it. Helps of category type, just search account hacked, or okay, let's go with account hacked, or you can type in forgotten password, any of them. So just go with forgotten password. Now you have to be polite with your request. Say describe your request. So describe your request. I forgot my email and password. I can't log in. I can't log into my Roblox. Please, I need help. So type it in and then you just click on the continue option. So a response will be sent to you through your email, and this disposal helps to indicate that you are a human. So after this disposal, the next thing is to wait for a reply from Roblox. So guys, I hope with this guide you'll be able to log in to your Roblox without your phone number and your email. If this video was helpful, please do also like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.